Hey everyone, I want to show how I made this worksheet here based on a YouTube video, and I used ChatGPT. So basically I typed a prompt to create a worksheet or a quiz for grade 5 students based on the transcript for this video, Citarum, the world's most polluted river. And I tried pasting the link for the video, but it immediately said I couldn't do that. But I thought I'm going to use the transcript. So on YouTube, click these three dots and click Show Transcript. And then you're going to go to the very bottom of the transcript. Transcript just means subtitles. And you're going to scroll all the way up top, which is going to take a while because it's a 40-minute long video. But this went really well today. We were able to pause the video and have kids work in partners to discuss answers. And it was a great discussion. We're going to finish the video tomorrow. So now I've copied the transcript, and watch how fast it is when I type it over here. I'm going to paste. And I'm going to press enter and watch how fast it makes the quiz. All right, it is working right now. It's generating. This morning, honestly, it was like 6 seconds, and all of a sudden I had a worksheet. It was unbelievable. So cool. I guess it's generating still. Maybe it's busier depending on the time of day. That is so cool. All right. So then what I did is I pretty much just copied the results of it. Wow, it even has an answer key. That's awesome. All I did is I clicked this copy button and I just pasted it into a Google Doc, and that was it. So fast and easy. All right, thanks for listening.